Hey everybody, Technical Wizard here, and today I finally got home from my vacation, and I have my Power Macintosh 4400/200, the one that my dad unboxed. Now, I'm going to go ahead before I start on reviewing this thing. We're going to talk about this unit. The Power Macintosh 4400 was originally meant to be one of the the cheap Macs where it's mostly made of metal. The only thing that's not metal on it is the front plastics. And this did not sell good, mostly because of the CD-ROM drive being on the left and the floppy drive being on the right. And this power button is very awkward looking. Right here is where the speaker and the fan is located. As you can see, there's holes on the side of it, and if you covered up the Apple logo, then you'd think it's a PC. Wait, hang on, I'll show for demonstration. Cover that up, you think it's a PC. That's why it didn't sell well. Now, looking at the back, it's all your typical ports. Sorry, I'm making y'all sick. Power, ADB, server, the monitor, which I have a stupid VGA converter hooked up because my old Apple monitor died, audio, microphone, and yeah. I'm using the Apple design keyboard from my PowerMac 6100, and if y'all were on my old channel, y'all automatically know the fate of that thing, and an Apple mouse from my 5260/100 Power Macintosh. So we'll go ahead and start it up. And hang on. Y'all didn't hear the startup sound because the monitor wasn't on. See, every time you try to turn it on without the speaker unhooked from the monitor, it won't play the sound because the speaker's not on with the monitor. Because the speaker in there sounds a little shabby. And when I got this thing, I thought it'd have OS 8 or OS 7 of some sort, but the last one actually slapped OS 9 on it. As you can see, the CD drive does work as well as the floppy drive. This thing's nearly 20 years old. Just give it one more year. And this one does actually have a Crescendo G3 Sonos add-on, which adds 120 megahertz to the processor, which is pretty good, I guess. Because the original speed without the add-ons is 200 megahertz, and then it adds 120 megahertz, which makes it 320 megahertz. See here, it says Crescendo G3. Tried putting a QuickTime on it, but the original one was missing a bunch of crap on it, which didn't make it work properly. So I just reinstalled QuickTime 3, I think. There you go. It has Microsoft Office on it of some version. Okay. Yeah, we'll go ahead and go to the about this computer. 9.0.4, 96 megs of RAM. It's pretty good for one of these. It says PowerPC G3 because it's got the Crescendo G3 thingy in it. The hard drive is excuse me. It's a 2.14 gig Quantum. And this is actually IDE, so that's really cool. The standard CD-ROM drive. So yeah, guys, this is one of the more unusual Apple computers. That's why there's not many of them floating around anymore, and these were mostly made out of America. So yeah, guys, guess that's about it. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye.